almost 32 months. I worked with Reliance Industries, refinery. I worked into trading. I worked with analytics consulting. And currently I'm pursuing a management program from IIM Lucknow. Having worked in various industries and corporate sector, I would like to work for a corporate sector. After 5 years, I see myself contributing to an organization in a corporate sector significantly, where I can lead a business vertical and could contribute maximum to it.
Is there any specific planning that you have done to reach right there?
Well, first thing is that I'm doing is management program, and post that.
So is there any specific question that you have to a panelist in terms of the kind of advice that you need from them?
The only question that I have is, I'm planning to go into finance consulting. So, I mean, if anyone can help me with what's the specifics, what is the scope in that industry?
Thank you. I would request Mr. Ashish Sahai to please help him with the career guidance.
Hello guys. First of all, congratulations to all of you for for making it till this far. Okay, Prakul, very specifically to your question, you want to get into consulting domain. Okay, to be very frank, okay, having seen this MBA and consulting space from close quarters for a good number of years. Whenever somebody gets into a top grade college, I mean, he thinks about, hey, I want to get into McKinsey, I want to get into BCG, Booz Allen and such companies. But the fact of the matter is, if you really want to hone your skills, okay, what you mentioned earlier would probably be more appropriate in a case, because you want to get into a P&L role. That is what I could make out. Okay. So what happens in consulting, while you get to work with different industries, and you get exposure, you get very good exposure actually. But what really misses out over there is the execution skill set. Okay, so it is one thing to get on, to make recommendation to a board of directors, say that, hey, you know what, you need to open a shop in Southeast Asia, or you need to probably move into this XYZ country because of ABC reasons. But it is a totally different thing altogether if you get into and execute it. Okay, then actually you get to hone your skill sets. You have a very tight grip on your numbers, on your customers, on your product, and you are able to make better decisions out of it. But then again, what I do agree is the holy grail in the entire process is definitely the P&L responsibility that you mentioned. Okay, so that is something which all MBA grads should work for. I hope that answers your questions. Does it?
Thank you so much.